Hello ladies and gentlemen, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and restore a Nintendo 64 controller. This being the transparent blue controller. So let's get into it. All you will need for this teardown is two Phillips head screwdrivers, one slightly bigger one and one slightly smaller one. First of all, turn around the controller and you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws which you'll need to remove with the thicker screwdriver. Once you have removed the 7 screws with the slightly bigger screwdriver, you'll see 1, 2 screws in there which you need to remove. Okay, so once all 9 screws are removed, simply lift off the back, like so, pop that off to one side, and you'll see the end of the N64 controller, to which you remove the shoulder buttons, unwrap this wire, pull the shoulder button boards out, and you'll see 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3 silver looking screws, just remove them. Okay, so once you've removed those 3 screws, simply lift off the thumbstick board and everything will just come out with ease. Pop that off to one side, to which you'll find your membranes and buttons and the shell, to which you should clean if they're quite dirty, so just clean all this. So yeah, just give everything a good clean. Depending on how dirty your N64 controller is, you may have some dirt in the thumbstick grooves, as you can see. What I do to remove this is get a damp cotton bud and just simply work around the analog stick until it is all clean, so just do that. Also, depending on how well used your analog stick may be, there may be some dirt in the grooves here, so just work around like that until it's all removed. So once everything has been cleaned, it's now time for assembly. Okay, so once everything is totally dry, you can start putting stuff back together. So flip the controller over and you'll see you need to put your buttons and membranes back in, so just do that. Okay, so once you've done that and you've also put the membranes on the Z button and the left and right button, simply grab the board and just put it into place, like so, making sure it lines up with the little pegs that poke through the board, and just pop the L&R buttons and boards into place, like so, and also do the same for the right one. I'm doing this most of it off camera, but and also loop around the wire to where it was before, just do that. Okay, so once you've put the board in place, grab the 3 silver looking screws and put them there, there and there. Okay, so once you've done that, you can pay attention to the back piece where you put the Z button in. It kind of like clips in like so. There we go. Z button's clicked in place, and then you put your left and right shoulder buttons in, like so, and same with the left one. Yep. Okay, so once you've done that, what you're going to do is just simply drop it on Make sure everything's lined up correctly. Make sure it fits together. And with the 2 little screws, put them there and there. Okay, so once you put the 2 screws in there, put the other 7 screws in there, there, and there. And there you have it, a nice clean Nintendo 64 controller that looks pretty darn good actually, a lot like new, and yeah. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, it really helped me out, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos like this, and until the next one guys, see you later.